that's for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead.
Guys, welcome back to a brand new episode from beautiful Rhodes, Greece. Look at this island. Today I will show you guys the best spots you can visit in Rhodes. And guys, hope you enjoy this video. The ocean is super blue. The sun is shining in the back. And guys, I also met some followers. It was absolutely fantastic. Hope you guys will enjoy this episode. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys after the intro. You. So guys, one stop that you should not miss out while you're on Rhodes is Quinn Bay, one of the most paradise-like looking bays and beaches. Look at this, guys, it's super stunning and the water is absolutely turquoise and blue. And my viewers already have been here, but they've been here on in the noon. So after 12 o'clock, it's getting pretty crowded. A lot of buses are coming, and yeah, you should come here early. I'm right now here at 9, and it's super calm. Nobody's here. You can enjoy and relax the bay for your own. And I'm gonna grab myself a little drink, maybe a little snack, and I will show you guys the beauty of Quinn Bay. So enjoy that. So guys, I'm sitting right here at the restaurant that is one of the 2 restaurants here in Quinn Bay. Pretty nice one, looks a little bit like Tulum or something. I got myself a kombucha, enjoying the views, and prices also pretty okay. You can get some breakfast here and maybe some other stuff. Definitely recommend it. So guys, if you're searching for a refreshment, I can recommend you to come here to the Kalileta spring, which is a spring that has been used for centuries. And the spring water, it's actually flowing into the sea, and it gives you a really nice refreshment. But actually, as there are so many tourists right now, and you have to pay an entrance fee, I will just skip that place and show you guys some nice impressions with that. So guys, I was pretty hungry and I was on the road, and then I met again up with Marie and Leroy, and I sneaked into the hotel. And so with that, we are enjoying our all-inclusive drinks. Cheers to that, guys. And now let's eat something, and then we go to a beautiful bay. Cheers. So guys, we enjoyed this bay so much. Actually, I've been here like 2 days ago and explored it on my own, but I said like, no, I have to get these guys and show them this bay because nobody knows it. And we have been literally the whole day here totally to ourselves. We've been cliff jumping, we've been snorkeling, everything. There will have been some boats, but it was absolutely amazing. How did you guys like it? Was it good?
Loved it.
Loved it. Yeah. Lovely, loved it. See, heard it first. And guys, nobody knows this bay. There are actually only some locals chilling here in this hut. There's only one house. Imagine you're living here. It's life goals. It's amazing. And yeah, guys, I will show you guys some nice shots from this bay because this is amazing. We did some FPV, we got some GoPro footage, we got some snorkeling. So enjoy that and enjoy the rest of the video. You. What's your name? Emmanuel. Patrick. Nice to meet you.
Make it louder.
Make it louder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go.
So guys, party was insane and we got recommended this place here which is called Hermes and we ordered some Greek salad, some pita bread, tzatziki which is already eaten up, but we already made some new friends which are from Oslo, Ukraine, Greece, Serbia or no? America and Serbia and Canada. Pretty international place here, guys, if you come here. But anyways, if you're here in Lindos, check out this place because the views are insane. You can go up to the Acropolis. I will show you guys a beautiful view right now. Actually, we didn't make it, but we made some new friends and also got ourselves some delicious dinner. So let's enjoy that and enjoy the views. So guys, ordered myself some beautiful delicious gyros with some fries, pita. We have tzatziki downstairs, there's some onions and we have a beautiful view on the Acropolis which is right there, and also we cannot miss out on the Alpha. So cheers to that, let's enjoy some Greek gyros. Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and see you guys in the next episode.